Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about cloud computing. Cloud computing is one type remote server-based data storage system, which is used for delivering different type of service like networking and softwares through the internet. A front-end user can access the data stored in a remote server using internet browser or cloud software. Cloud computing-based applications are present everywhere in daily life like art, business, social media, data storage and many more. There are so many applications of cloud computing is present in present world. Some of the important ones are following. In art, for quickly and easily design attractive cards, booklets, and images. For example, Adobe Creative Cloud is one of the most used cloud-based service that is used by designers, artists, filmmakers, and other creative professionals. Many business applications like PayPal is also one of the cloud-based service that offers the simplest and easiest online payment mode using a secure internet account. For storage of data, we can store our data information like files, images, audios and videos on cloud, and we can access it using internet connection anytime. The storage of information on cloud is highly secured. Google G Suite is one of the best example of cloud storage and backup application used in present. Social media like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn is also one of the most used applications of cloud computing. Online meeting apps that we use for online classes and for professional meeting are also one of the important applications of cloud computing. Importance of cloud computing-based systems. Cloud computing-based systems are key feature technology that has been used for renovating and modernizing the industries and advanced communication systems. Various research work is going on now to facilitate noticeable applications in the field such as in defense, healthcare, automated manufacturing, disaster management, self-driven cars, etc. Advantages of cloud computing-based systems. High-end computational capabilities and storage capacity. This type of systems are capable of doing complex tasks like object recognition, pattern matching, speech synthesis, etc. in real time. On-demand availability of computational resource. It can easily manage and investigate the data received from different centers with a limited onboard storage capacity using cloud's high storage space. Limitations of cloud computing-based systems. Some significant drawbacks we should consider about the cloud computing-based systems are following. Network connection dependency. In order to perform any task, we are totally dependent on the local network connection. If someone wants to send information to cloud or wants to get the information from the cloud, one should have good internet connection. Limited features. All cloud connection provider have their own access policies. Based on that, they provide feature to the user as storage and backup. Clouds limit the user to not to go through the testing and developing. The user have the option to pay per user base option to increase the features. Loss of control. The cloud service is provided by the third party and you have to trust on other about the security of your data and the maintenance of cloud service. Technical difficulties. In case you are facing any technical difficulties in cloud service, you only have one option, and that is to contact the host provider's technical support. Cloud computing in India. To get the benefits of cloud services, Government of India's Department of Electronics and IT, DoD, is working on the project named GI Cloud. This service will provide the efficient cloud computing e-service. The DoD has prepared a multi-pronged strategy to adopt cloud computing and has set up a GI Cloud task force and a cloud working group and published 2 reports. The GI Cloud Strategic Direction paper highlights the key government infrastructure components that are already in place to act as the building blocks. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please press like button and share this video with your friends. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe.